Feeling lost in a sea of subtasks and need to declutter your Asana workflow? Hey there, Asana users. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to convert those buried subtasks into independent, manageable tasks. First, locate the subtask you want to promote. It's likely nestled under a larger parent task. Next, hover your mouse over that specific subtask, and you'll see 3 dots appear on the right-hand side. Click on those dots. This opens a menu of options. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Convert to Task. Click on Convert to Task. Asana will prompt you with a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to convert the subtask. Simply click OK or Confirm. And that's it. Your subtask is now a full-fledged task. You can now move it to a different section, assign it a new due date, or prioritize it separately. This is super helpful for reprioritizing, delegating, and getting a clear overview of your projects. Now you know how to easily convert any subtask into a task. See how much easier it is to manage everything now. Subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks to boost your productivity.